Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook artichoke hearts. First, select fresh artichokes that are firm and heavy, indicating good quality. Begin by trimming the stem and removing the tough outer leaves until you reach the tender, pale green ones. Next, carefully cut off the top 1/3 of the artichoke. Using a spoon, scoop out the fuzzy choke and any small purple leaves from the center. Finally, rub all cut surfaces with a lemon half to prevent discoloration, ensuring your artichoke hearts stay bright and appealing. One popular method for cooking artichoke hearts is boiling or steaming. For boiling, place the prepared hearts in a pot of salted water and cook for about 20 to 30 minutes until they are fork tender. If you prefer steaming, arrange them in a steamer basket over simmering water for 25 to 40 minutes. You can enhance the flavor by adding lemon slices, garlic cloves, or fresh herbs to the cooking liquid. Always check for doneness by easily piercing the base with a fork. For a different texture and flavor, consider roasting or grilling your artichoke hearts. After boiling or steaming, toss the tender hearts with a generous amount of olive oil, salt, and freshly ground black pepper. To roast, spread them on a baking sheet and cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown. If grilling, place them directly on a medium heat grill for 5 to 7 minutes per side, achieving lovely char marks and a smoky taste. Fresh herbs like rosemary or thyme complement these methods wonderfully. Once your artichoke hearts are perfectly cooked, there are many delicious ways to enjoy them. Serve them warm with a simple lemon vinaigrette or a creamy garlic aioli for dipping. They are also fantastic additions to various dishes, such as fresh green salads, hearty pasta recipes, or even homemade pizzas. For a longer-lasting treat, marinate the cooked hearts in olive oil, minced garlic, and your favorite herbs. They will keep well in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Enjoy these versatile and flavorful vegetables as a delightful side or appetizer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.